twendeni huko kwingine.
Agreed on the theme, winning markets for Kenyan mangoes. And therefore, ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to say that Makueni is going to host the first mango conference in Kenya. And in that, we have included a national government through HCDA, Minister of Agriculture. We're going to have guests here who will provide an opportunity to address the concerns of mango farmers, both from processing of mangoes to value addition of mangoes. We are going to have people who have grown mangoes, who are growing mangoes, who are processing mangoes across the country from various counties that are mango producing. And it's important that I say that we were picked by HCDA because we are the largest producers of mango in Kenya.